Is the infuriating Google Play keep stopping error ruining your app experience? Don't worry, we'll get your Google Play Store back in action with these simple, effective steps. First, let's try clearing the cache and data for the Google Play Store app. Go to your device's settings, then Apps or Applications, find Google Play Store, tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your apps, only reset the Play Store's temporary files. Next, we'll do the same for Google Play Services. Navigate back to your apps list, find Google Play Services, tap Storage, and then clear both its cache and data. This is often the culprit behind these persistent errors. A surprisingly common fix is ensuring your device's date and time are set correctly. Go to your settings, then System, and find Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone are both enabled. Incorrect time can sometimes interfere with app services. Now, reboot your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Once your phone is back on, try opening the Google Play Store again. You should now be able to download and update your apps without any issues. If you're still facing problems, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Google Play Store updates. Go back to your apps list, select Google Play Store, and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Uninstall Updates. Your device will likely reinstall the latest version automatically. You might also need to do this for Google Play Services. Remember, these steps will get you back to enjoying your favorite apps seamlessly.